Good morning, boys and girls. I'm Chef Rock and this is Chef Adam. Welcome to our first edition of Tallwood Cafe. The two of us have had a passion for cooking for as long as I can remember. It has brought us a lifetime of fun and pleasure, not to mention financial rewards that go with it. Mr. French has asked us if we could share with you a few recipes, some tips and tricks that might send you along a path that we have both journeyed. Once a month, we hope to be able to air this show for you and start you on some healthy recipes that you can do at home with the guidance of your parents.
Between the two of us, we have about 40 years of experience cooking in restaurants and catering for private parties. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a simple fruit salad. It's nice and healthy, fresh whipped cream, nice granola on top, add a little crunch. Something that you can make at home with your parents. Get them to go to the grocery store, help you chop the fruit, and be a nice healthy snack that'll taste 100% better than any fruit cup you can buy in a grocery store.
This may be your last fruit cup bought from a grocery store. A couple things we like to start with. There are certain fruits and vegetables, you've all seen them, that turn once they've been cut, such as an apple, a banana, an avocado, or even potatoes. They turn a brown color because of they're actually rusty. There's iron in those fruits and vegetables. So we want to get those cut first and protected. And the way we protect those fruits is using acid. The acid we're going to use today is simply the juice of a lemon, could be a lime, or just simply orange juice. Start with our fruit salad. We're going to take a Honeycrisp apple. Instead of taking the time to peel it, we're just going to quarter it, coming down all four sides. You'll notice with my knife, it looks like it's close to my fingers, but my fingernails are back and the blade of the knife rests across my knuckles. That way, I don't even have to look what I'm doing, and I don't have to worry about cutting myself. We're going to try to cut all these sections up into 1/4-inch pieces. I am not pushing my knife straight down, but I'm sliding it back across. That way I'm never forcing it. And I'll take this is called a pastry scraper. I use it all the time. Very rarely do I use it for pastry. But when I'm chopping fruits and vegetables, it makes quick work of picking it up, placing it in a bowl. Mr. Adam will start on the banana because that will turn also.
We're going to cut the banana the same way. We're going to cut it in half, and we're going to cut it lengthwise. One more time down.
While he's working on that, I'll work with some strawberries. I've already capped and washed them. All our fruit has been washed. Our hands have been washed in advance. To me, I'll simply half it, lay the halves down, and repeat the process again, just like I did with the apple. Side to the side, and half again. Upside down, it's steady. Half it, it's steady. Mr. Adam can go ahead and take that lemon. Using his other hand, he'll catch the seeds with it. It doesn't take much lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
Once we have the acid on those two fruits, we can take all the time that we need.
Once you get the acid on your apples and your bananas, it'll keep them from turning brown while you slice all your other fruits.
You can just, yeah, you can take some of those. Little tip, how many of y'all pull grapes off? The stem comes with them. If you'll hold your grapes in a 180-degree turn, every time you pull one off, and almost all the time, the stem will stay where it should and not come off with the grape. using my paring knife again, I feel comfortable sliding through. Some people like to cut left to right. To me, it's harder and slower. A few blueberries tossed in. And a couple cherries. Get them rolling with your whipped cream.
We want to make a little bit of whipped cream to go on top, boys and girls. We use this fresh, heavy whipping cream. This is the same cream you would use for butter. We're just not going to whip it as much. Pour this into a bowl. And that started whipping. Put in 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. So about a half another tablespoon. A teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of almond extract. This will give it a little different flavor. You could also use vanilla, you could use orange, whatever flavor extract you like. Today we're going to use almond. We just put that on high. I apologize for the noise.
Sorry about that. Okay. Yep. You can test it by dropping the bowl down and see. All right, we've added what we chopped in front of y'all, which what Mr. Adam and I did earlier, and we're going to plate it up for you by simply putting it into a serving bowl.
We'll put a little dollop of whipped cream on top.
Yeah, because you're going to stick that mint in it. Little granola clusters for some crunch. And there you have it. Guarantee it's better than what you buy at the grocery store.
Nice fresh fruit salad.
Healthy, easy, something that you can do at home.
If you'd like the recipe, we'll have that ready for you and we can pass it out and you can take it home and show your parents.